Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a video on the Zoella and Colourpop collaboration. It's called Brunch Date. I have a story about this because today is, what day is today, honestly? March 20th. So I actually purchased this. I purchased two of them on the day that it launched, which was February 27th, I think is when it launched. So I got two of them. And I got the 3-day priority mail, and it said it was going to take 3 to 7 business days for it to get here, which was fine. I was perfectly fine with that. First of all, I had never ordered from Colourpop before. The only other time that I ever used Colourpop is because I won it in a giveaway here on YouTube. That was the only other time I used Colourpop, which I do enjoy their products, but never actually ordered from them. So I put in an order, my first ever order for this. I got two, one for me, one for my sister, because we wanted to do a video together, unboxing this and like putting it on and everything. The day that it arrived, which was March, God, I don't even remember what day it actually got here. 27th was a Wednesday, and it got delivered, I think, on the 9th of March. Which was a Saturday. So I was super excited because it said the package was delivered and everything. So I went to pick it up. I opened the box and there was only one of these in there. Not two, but one. I wasn't really happy with that. So I contacted their customer service. So they actually, I don't know if you know, but Colourpop do not have a customer service available on the weekends. So Saturday and Sunday, you cannot talk to anybody. I sent them an email, told them what happened. I said I only received one, actually ordered two, and then on here I'm gonna try to cover the shipping or whatever, my shipping address, but you get one of these, right? And then where it says checker number, it did not have one. So I'm assuming it also said there was 2 quantities of the Zoella and Colourpop. Yeah, it did not have a little checker number on there. So I'm assuming somebody just did not check to make sure that the order was correct before it was sent out. So I sent them a picture of that. I sent them a picture of like the box and everything that was inside. Told them I only received one, and then I waited because obviously they were not going to respond until Monday, if they even did. So I read some reviews online after that just to see like how, like if they have good shipping reviews or anything like that. And there are a ton of bad reviews for Colourpop, and like people not receiving their correct number of items that they ordered. Like some people were saying that they contacted them and Colourpop said, too bad, so sad, we're not going to refund you the money or send you another item. So I don't know, you know, I was a little scared about that. So I got a response from them on Monday, and they actually said that they were sorry about the missing product and that they were going to resend me one of the packages. Said it was going to take 3 to 7 business days once again, just because they were backed up. Something about, you know, they had a lot of new launches and they were backed up. So I was like, that's fine as long as, you know, I receive my item, like perfect. They said they were going to send me another email with tracking information as soon as the item ships. Again, I was a little skeptical just because I didn't know if that was actually going to happen. Like, I had no clue since I read all those bad reviews. So a couple of days later, they actually sent me the tracking information, and it said it was going to take like another 3 days for it to get here. And then I finally received it on Monday. Today is Wednesday. So it took about, since I contacted them Saturday, Monday, so it took about a week for the replacement to get here, which I am thankful that they actually resent it, and it actually has a checker number on here, so they obviously checked it. But yeah, I just wanted to tell y'all that story just so you know, like my interaction with Colourpop and how it went, because I know they have a lot of bad reviews for shipping and like, you know, people just not getting their items or stuff like that. I did film a video, so we actually took this to my sister's house and we tried to record a video on at her house, and we actually tried all these products. I already tried these products. Well, I didn't try all of them. I tried certain ones. My sister tried a few, but I started recording on this camera, which actually ran out of memory space. So then I had to switch to my iPhone and I was like, you know what, I'm just going to record straight onto YouTube. We thought about doing a live, which we didn't. We ended up just like recording on YouTube, which I did not realize that the sound was disabled. So we recorded a whole like 30-minute video with no sound. But I will go in depth with this and review it for you guys. I know I was super excited when it first launched because Zoe's one of the first YouTubers that I ever watched, and I still watch and love her. And I thought the packaging for this is super cute. I definitely love the idea of brunch date and like all the cute little, you know, like eggs and strawberries and waffles and things like that. It's right up my alley. So let's go right into the video and just play with a few of these products. So when you open it up, which I'm sure you guys have seen it already because I know there's a few reviews out there already for these, but I just wanted to try them myself and see what I think of them. So yeah, when you open it, it's like a little plastic pouch like this. And the first thing we're gonna look at, let's just look at the palette. So this is the Brunch Date palette. I obviously don't have any makeup on. I actually just have my foundation, my eyebrows, and that's pretty much it. I have some chapstick on because my lips have been super dry. So we're gonna go ahead and look at the palette. So the front just has like little strawberries, blueberries, and like waffles and syrup, and it says Brunch Date on it, pressed powder palette. And then on the back you have all the colors, and it's gonna have the name for every single color, and the names are champagne toast, pancakes please, French toast, skinny latte, cinnamon sugar, mimosa, maple syrup, Sunday Funday, sunny side up, Americano, brunch club, and extra slice. When you open it up, it is also pink, so it's not like this orangey color. It's actually pink with orange writing, and I love it. It's got little eggs with heart yolks on the inside, and then the colors again on the back. And when you open it up, you've got all the colors up here, and of course I will show you guys up close. And you've got a mirror, which does have a little plastic thing, so you take this little thing off. It's a very neutral palette with just like a pop of this blue, electric blue color. You do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shimmery, kind of shimmery colors, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 matte colors, and this one's kind of like in between. It's like a pinky. It's called Sunny Side Up. It's kind of like a pinky peachy color. Yeah, it's not like super shimmery. It's just kind of like in between. I'm just gonna go over all the items real quick, and then we'll put them on my face. So the next thing in here, you have 2 different little, what do they call it, compacts, I guess. So this one right here, it's got like a cute little heart. This is called Swipe Right, and it's a pressed powder cheek. And it's a highlighter. So let's open this up. So there is the little package, and when you open it, there's that color. You do also get a mirror with this, so that's pretty cool. Oh, and it does have a plastic. I didn't even realize it. So there's a little plastic on here. Make sure you take that off. And the color, it doesn't look like it's got a lot of shimmer. I know whenever me and my sister were kind of like trying stuff, this wasn't one of my favorites, honestly, just because it's kind of, it seems kind of chalky. But when you put it on, there's not, like, I don't know, there's not really anything there. But we'll try it on my face in a little bit, and we'll see how that will go. The next thing in here is a blush. So this is called Soulmate. And let's open that. There it is, same little packaging. So here's the color, baby pink color. It's really pretty. Perfect for like every day. Love it. Now what we have left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more products in here. So this is like a little orange carton, and it's called Group Hug, and it's the Supernova Shadow Bundle. So there's gonna be 2 eyeshadows in here in the color Bellini and OG. So let's open this up, and you can open it in the back. I really love the packaging. I think it's super cute. And then inside you have the 2 different eyeshadows, which me and my sister actually tried these on at her house, and I really enjoyed it. So they're pretty similar, which if you guys have already seen Zoe unbox these, and you probably know, but they're very shimmery. So this one is OG, And OG I think is a little bit more, got a little bit more silver I think in it. And then the other one, which is Bellini, has a little bit more rose in it. So they're just like liquid shadows. So I am excited to be wearing these two. All right, so let's go into actually these two products right here. One of them is, I think they're both gel liners. Yes, so there's two gel liners. One is, I think, a brown, and the other one is a black. So this one's called Sincerely Yours. So let's open that one up. So it's a little orange pencil, which is super cute. This is Sincerely Yours. And it's one of those retractable ones, which is great. I love those. And I'm pretty sure this is, yeah, Sincerely Yours is a brown color. It looks like it glides on really, really smoothly. So that's pretty cool. And then we've got the other one, which is xoxo. And I'm pretty sure this is the black one. So you get a brown and a black, which is perfect for like different looks and everything. And then the black one has got the same kind of packaging, just like orange, like that. Retractable one. Nice, pretty decent pencil. So, which I did need a new black one, and I actually don't own a brown one, so perfect. So those are the pencils. And then let's go into the lip bundles. So the last three products in here are 3 lip bundles, and of course they're in these cute little packagings again. So the one that I actually tried is called a little one, which this is one that I think Zoe talked about, that she named after what Alfie calls her. So Alfie calls her little one, and it's such a good like everyday color. So it comes with a pencil and the actual liquid matte lipstick, and I love this one. It's like a brownie color. Again, I will do swatches for you guys, and then you get the pencil, which this one actually has to be sharpened because it's not like a retractable pencil. But I absolutely love this color. I love the brownie nudie ones at the moment, so we'll try that on in a second. And then the next color in here is, or the bundle is called Self Love Club Ultra Matte Lip, which I know this is the red one, and then the Bossy Lippy Pencil. So here are these combos right here. So you've got Bossy, which it's like a perfect red color, and then you've got the Self Love Club, which is such a pretty red color as well. I love it. Look at this color. So pretty. So this will be good for like a night out, or if you're doing a simple eye look, and then add this little at the red. And then the last one we have the At Me Ultra Matte Lip and Oh Snap Lippy Pencil. This one I think my sister put on. This is a super pretty like everyday pinky mauve color, and the same with the pencil, like an everyday super nude pinky color, which I'm super excited for this as well. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking now, and we're gonna go ahead and do some makeup on my face. here it is. Here's the finished look using the Zoella products, or most of the Zoella products that I have, that I purchased. I really like it. My final thoughts, I definitely enjoyed most of the products in the collection. My favorites were definitely the lip kits, and I love the eyeshadow palette. The blush is really good. My least favorites were probably the brown eyeliner. I like the black one, and then the highlighter doesn't really do much for me. Maybe it's good for like a powder instead of a highlighter, but we'll do that. I'll try that later on. I really enjoy this collection. Oh, and also you do get, I forgot to show you this, little stickers that you can put, you know, on your laptop or whatever you want to do with them. I think they're super cute. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to see anytime I upload a video. You'll get notified because my schedule is all over the place. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.